Everyone, due to the COVID-19 pandemic for the academic year 2020-21, few lessons and topics has been reduced. We will see which are those for social science of class 8th. The first chapter, it is sources, and the subunits are archaeological sources, literary sources and oral sources. Here oral sources is dropped. Oral sources can be given as home assignment. Now next lesson, it is second lesson, geographical features of India. Here also the subunits are physical features of India, old Stone Age, Macrolithic Stone Age, Neolithic Stone Age, and in this also physical features of India is dropped because you have going to study in 10th standard. Now the third lesson is ancient civilization of India. In this the subtopics are Vedic age, early Vedic period, polity, religion and religion and belief. Here also this complete chapter is written. In this you have to read everything, not even anything has been reduced. This third lesson fully you have to read. Now fourth lesson, it is ancient civilization of world. In this unit the subunits are Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamia civilization and Chinese civilization. In this also this lesson is completely written, means fully you have to read, not anything has been reduced or dropped. Next it is fifth lesson, Roman American civilization. Here also this lesson is completely deleted or dropped because already you have studied in 6th standard. For this reason that lesson Greek Roman civilization has been dropped completely. Now the sixth lesson is rise of Jainism and Buddhism. In this background of the rise of Jainism and Buddhism, the principles of Jainism and Buddhism, the spread of Jainism and Buddhism, these are the subunits. Here also there is nothing has been deleted, complete chapter is written, is completely you have to read the whole chapter. Now the seventh lesson is Mauryas and Kushans. In this the subunits are achievements of Ashoka, contribution of Kushans, Kanishka, administration and their achievements. In this administration of Kanishka and the art and architectural contribution are dropped because you have already studied in 6th standard. Now the 8th lesson is the Guptas and Vardhanas. In that the subtopics are the Gupta age, political achievement, the Vardhanas, political achievement, literature and contribution to education. Here also in this the Vardhanas, their political, literature and contribution to education has dropped. The same reason is that also you have studied in 6th standard. For this reason few topics has been dropped from this. The 9th chapter is South Indian dynasty. In this the subtopics are Satavahanas, Kadambas, Gangas and their contribution to society, economic and religious beliefs. Here literature, science, art and architecture of Satavahanas, Kadambas and Gangas are deleted, and because here students can be given some projects on that. For this reason it was deleted. Now the 10th lesson is the Chalukyas of Badami, the Pallavas of Kanchi. Here the Chalukyas of Badami and Pallavas of Kanchi the Pallavas of Kanchi has been dropped and more emphasis should be given on the Chalukyas of Badami. The next lesson, it is 11th lesson, the Rashtrakutas of Manakhet and the Chalukyas of Kalyana. The Rashtrakutas of Manakhet, the Chalukyas of Kalyana. In that economy and literary contribution of Chalukyas and Kalyana is dropped because you have studied in 6th standard earlier and home assignment can be given on that. Now the 12th lesson is the Cholas and Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra. The subunits, the Cholas of Tanjavur or the Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra. Contribution of literature, art and architecture. In this the Cholas of Tanjavur, the topic is dropped. Now next it is from political science. 4 lessons are there. We will see one by one. The first one lesson is meaning and importance of political science. Here the subunits, the process of the development in political science, importance and the contribution of political thinkers. This lesson is completely you have to read and more importance should be given to the importance of political science. Now the second chapter is public administration. In this, the subtopics are importance of public administration and meaning, scope of public administration, meaning of the recruitment and its methods, state government and secretariat. In this, public service commission, central government, secretariat, state government and state secretariat are dropped. The next lesson, third one, it is human rights. In this, the subtopics are importance of public administration and the meaning and scope of public administration, meaning of the government and the requirement of state government and secretariat. Here, human rights and the Indian constitution, ways of implementing human rights is deleted because you will study the same in 10th standard. The fourth lesson from political science, the last one, is local government. In that, the subtopics are local self-government, formation, objectives, function and responsibilities. In this, urban local self-government is deleted. And now the next part in the social science, it's sociology, third part. In that also you are having the fourth chapter. We will see one by one. The first one, it is introduction to sociology. In this, the subtopics are origin, meaning, nature, scope and importance of sociology, early Western sociologists, prominent Indian sociologists. In this, early Western sociologists is dropped and more emphasis is given on Indian sociologists, and early Western sociologists can be given for the student as the preparation and self-study. Now the next second chapter is culture. In this, the subunits are meaning and nature of culture, features of culture, importance of culture, rituals and diversity. In this, it can be explained in nutshell. Nothing has been deleted and importance should be given to the cultural and ritual diversities. Now next it is social institution. The subtopics are meaning, nature and importance of social institution, role and functions of social institution. Here in that, the relationship between human beings and social institution, role and function of social institution are dropped because you will study the same thing in 10th standard in social stratification. The fourth lesson is types of society. In this, the subunits are meaning, nature and importance of social institutions, role and the functions of social institutions. In this, agricultural society, rural and urban society, industrial society, formation of the societies are dropped because you will learn the same thing in 9th standard. Now the next part, it is geography. In this, you are having the 5 lessons. The first one lesson, the earth, our living planet. In this, the subtopics are earth, size and area, distribution of land and water bodies, continents and oceans, and the latitudes and longitudes. In this, location of oceans and continents on the world map are dropped because we have already learned about them in 7th and 6th standard. Now next topic is second lesson, lithosphere. In this, meaning and importance of lithosphere, the structure of rocks, volcanoes and earthquakes. In this, earthquakes, the external forces like temperature, wind, rain and rivers are dropped, and summarized learning should be given through visual aids. Next it is third lesson, it is atmosphere. In this, the subtopics are meaning and importance, structure and composition of the atmosphere, rainfall, temperature, zone factors influencing temperature, pressure belts. In that, elements of atmosphere, temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, clouds and rainfall are dropped, and the summarized learning through the visual should be provided. The fourth chapter is hydrosphere. In that, the subunits are distribution of water bodies, meaning of ocean limits, ocean current, tides, conservation of oceans. Here in that, tides, conservation of oceans are dropped. Next lesson, it is biosphere, meaning and importance, ecology, global warming, greenhouse effect, and biodiversity. In this, global warming, greenhouse effect, and biodiversity are dropped or deleted because the student should be study the same thing in 10th standard as the ecological aspects. Now the next part, it is economics. In this, you are having the 4 lessons. The first lesson is Introduction to Economics. In this, the subunits are Meaning and Importance of Economics, Importance of the Study of Economics. Here, importance of the study of economics, economic activities, macro and macroeconomics has been deleted. Now the second lesson, it is Meaning and Types of Economy. The subunits Meaning, Types, Merits and Demerits. Types of economy on the basis of level of development, the features of Indian economic structure, the evolution of the performance of the public sector are dropped because students study these concepts in nutshell in later classes. Next, it is national income and secretarial aspects of the Indian economy. In this, the subunits are national and per capita income, secretarial shares and the growth of income, problems of small scale industries, agriculture distress, causes and remedial measures, remedies to form crisis. Here in that, agricultural distress, causes and remedies, industries importance and problems of small scale industries, measurements and remedies and crises are dropped. Students can study these concepts in nutshell in the forthcoming classes. Now the next, it is government. The lesson name is Government and the Economy, and the subunits are Planning in India, its meaning, objectives of planning in India and the government. In that, economic reforms, LPG policies, meaning current programs for economic development of the government are dropped. Here the last part, it is business studies. In this 3 units are there. The first one components of business studies. In this, the subunits are Planning in India, its meaning, objectives of planning in India, the role of trade and commerce in economic development of commerce during 21st century are dropped because this class you will learn them in the spherical approach in the coming classes. The second lesson, it is business and industry. Here in the subtopics are objectives of business, the meaning and importance of home trade, foreign trade and intertrade trade industries. In that, industries types, cottage and small scale industries, hindrance of the business trade and industries, the business ethics are dropped. Next lesson, it is last lesson, forms of business organizations. The types of business organizations, sole trading companies, partnership trading companies. In that, the features, advantages of business organization, Hindu undivided business families are dropped. The types of business organization are given more emphasis. Here it is only all from the lessons, only one lesson has been completely deleted or dropped. It is the Greek, Roman, American civilization has been completely deleted. Other than all the lessons you have to read, only few topics has been deleted or reduced. Hope it is clear for you. Thank you.